Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at PLU group assignment on the ER-900 series of registers. So in this video I'm using the 940, but the process is the same across the range. So you've set up your PLUs, you've given them names, descriptions, they're all set up and working, but now you want to assign them to different groups. Why do you want to do this? Mainly for reporting purposes. So I've got videos showing you all the different reports you can get out of the machine, and one of them is a group report. So on this till I've got here, I've got two groups set up. I've got wet sales and dry sales, and I now need to put my products into those two different groups. You can have a lot more groups than I've got, but the process for assigning your PLUs into groups is exactly the same as I'm going to show you on here. I've got other videos showing you how to give the groups a description, that'll appear at the end, and I've got another video showing you how, if you've got a kitchen printer set up, how you get that group to send your food items to the kitchen printer, so they'll also be worth checking out. But for this demonstration we'll get straight into it. First thing to do is turn the key round to PGM and then type in 150 subtotal. That takes you to the PLU group programming. And now there's a couple of different ways of entering your PLUs. Say for example, if you wanted all the PLUs to report to one specific group, very unusual, but if you did, you simply press the first PLU you've programmed and then the last in the range, then type in the group number. So let's say group number 606, followed by the quantity time or X time key, and then cash. You get a little printout confirming what you've done. So that says PLU1 to PLU63, a link to group 600. You can have the PLUs linked to multiple groups, but I'd avoid doing that if you possibly can, because it can cause problems with, if you're running group reports, you then have items appearing to more than one group, so it can lead to a bit of confusion. So that's what the 600 means, the 2 zeros are the groups I haven't used. Okay, but more likely you're splitting your sales up into your items into different groups. So again, to do that, it would be 150 subtotal, and then you press the range of PLUs that you want to belong to a specific group. So you can press them all, so you can go you might do this if you've got buttons that are slightly out of sequence. I don't, so this looks a bit silly. Once you've entered all the items that are going to be in that group, then you type in the group. So my wet sales is group number 01, followed by quantity time and then cash, so I'll get the printout. So again, it's very similar, from 1 PLU to 60 PLU, a link to group 1. What about if you just want to change one specific product? Again, that's easy in a similar process. 150 subtotal, PLU group programming. I need to change this button here to be group number 5. You press the button, 05 for the group, then the X time or quantity time button, and cash to save. Again, this time it's just PLU 36 is now in group 5. To program something to group 2, so these items I want to report to group 2, 150 subtotal. Might as well just press them. Group 2, 02, X time, cash. And that's how you do the group programming. I don't think there's any other way of doing it. You can either press all the individual PLUs and then assign them to a group, or you can do it by range, or you can change one individually. You turn the key to Z. I've just run a group report, so I haven't got a group report to run, but I've got another video which will be appearing on screen now showing you how to do the sales report by group, another one showing you how to do the group description programming, and then there's another overview on how to set your food items to report to the kitchen printer. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos, please check them out. Please also subscribe to this YouTube channel, or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.